Namaste everybody, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. My name is Sakshi Sharma. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Face पे पड़ रही है धूप, but it is the only place where I can make this video because there is this good lighting. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all my skincare routine. So if you are interested, kindly watch the video till the end, and if you're not, then don't.
अच्छा ठीक है समझ गया.
So I'm getting late for office but I still wanted to make the video, and of course even if I didn't make the video I would still do my skincare. So I just thought, why not just put the camera and do what I do. So first thing, oh sorry, बातों में बताने भूल गई. This is गुलाब जल, रोज वाटर फॉर टोनिंग. कॉटन पे डाल के टैप 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 टैप. एंड वन ऑफ द बेसिक, wait, let me tie my hair. Yeah, so I was saying, one of the basic and important rules of skincare is that don't forget your neck. Whatever you apply to your face, you should also apply it to your neck. That's pretty much it. देखो, मुंह धोने के बाद भी see how much dirt I had on my skin. So we'll just let it dry a little bit. And also in skincare, whatever you apply, like how many steps you follow, just give a little gap after each step. Like I have applied toner, so I'll leave it for like 10 to 20 seconds, let it dry, and then I'll jump to the next step. So yeah, and for the next step we have this vitamin C serum from Plum. इससे पहले I used to use minimalist का, how do I pronounce, niacinamide, I don't know the exact pronunciation, but you get what I mean, right? So yeah, first के बाद I switched to this one. So let's apply. धूप लग रही है. Just gently. Done with serum. Before applying moisturizer, I'm going to show you this lip balm. ये सिर्फ 10 रुपए का है, and it works so good. And see, and his lips पूरा दिन ऐसे ही मतलब मॉइस्ट और सॉफ्ट रहते हैं, and it's so good. और तुम मेरी तरह गरीब हो अगर तो प्लीज़ ये ले लो, 10 रुपए का है सिर्फ, और चलता भी इतना ज़्यादा है ना. So yeah. And then we have moisturizer from Mamaearth. It is vitamin C ultra light gel moisturizer, oil free. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, so soft and wow, apply करते हुए it feels so nice. Don't forget your neck, apply it nicely. बचा कुचा है बेचारी बाजू को भी दे दो थोड़ा सा. Let it dry. Then we have Daily Glow. बंद कर लो. Daily Glow sunscreen, vitamin C, Mamaearth. I mostly use Mamaearth's product only because I think they suit my skin well. Sunscreen जितना ज़्यादा अप्लाई करो उतना अच्छा. डू इट प्रॉपरली ताकि आपकी स्किन पे अच्छे से हो ही नहीं रहा है. ओह, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर दिया तो मैंने. Ah, I'm shooting from like back camera. I didn't realize कि मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही, बट नहीं, कई लोग लगाते हैं इतना ज़्यादा, बट मैं इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं लगाती, बट लगाती हूँ। मैं बस थोड़ा फोर हेड पर ज़्यादा ज़्यादा लगाती हूँ क्योंकि ये सीधा एक्सपोज होता है ऐसे करके, मतलब कहीं ज़्यादा धूप सीधा यहीं पड़ती है, तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा फोर हेड पर लगाती हूँ, फिर cheeks and other areas, and then okay, हो गया। See, it's so good, there is no white cast at all, and skin पे भी अच्छा फील होता है। So yeah, lastly for our arms, this is, what is this? This is some
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
सनस्क्रीन लोशन SPF 20 बाय वन गेट वन फ्री, मेगा मार्ट से लिया था। तो या बाजू के लिए तो ऐसा कुछ भी चलेगा, ऐसा वाला सीन है। So I'm getting late for my office and I haven't even done my breakfast yet. So yeah, that was it for this super quick video, and if you liked it, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye 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 bye.